What's up, everybody? My name is Xander Pandre.
I'm Lord Zat, aka Ryan, aka TJ, aka Puffy Janet, aka Romcom Man.
And this is... And today we're going to be trying out the world's hottest chips. Let's give it a go, gamers.
Now, I'm very good with hot foods. Now, with these here, I don't think they're going to be that hot.
Alright, everybody pose for like Alright, cool, yeah. So, okay, Ryan has a little bit of skepticism. Ryan,
Yeah.
let's get a nice close-up shot. So, Ryan, what are you thinking of the old chippies?
I think they're going to be hot, but I don't think they're going to be that hot.
You don't think they're going to be that hot?
I've had really hot double flamin' Cheetos before.
Yeah.
Now that
All right.
was hot. So this is what they look like. You can obviously see like the chili powder and all that good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I'll pass one off to you.
Pass one to Fatima. Yep, cool.
Now, pass one to you, man.
Pass one to me.
Me.
They don't smell too bad.
Yeah, they don't smell hot.
All right. Okay. Who wants to try it first?
We also
Okay.
got to clarify. We've got
We
drinks.
do have
We do have
milkshakes
milkshakes.
because these are our safety measures. So who's gonna go
I'll go
first?
first.
All right, Fatima. Oh, okay.
Heating
Not too
up.
bad. All right, Noah.
Yeah, my name is Noah.
Yeah, Ryan, give it a go.
All right.
Okay.
They're definitely hot.
Oh no, Ryan, no.
The wind went up
The
my
wind-
back of my
All
throat.
right, someone get me.
Oh yeah.
All right, ready?
Stupid wind. That only happened to me because of the wind.
Sure.
They're okay. They're a bit hot, but
You know, not terrible.
Not terrible.
but they've got a bit of heat. Not gonna lie. Safety sip.
All right, yeah, that's not too bad. That's actually not too bad, everybody. What do you think? Not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad.
They're not that bad.
Not that bad.
But you could definitely feel the afterburn.
Are they
though.
still going?
Yeah,
They're still burning.
No, they're good. They're good. You can't. I'm not crying.
Oh man, it doesn't go away. It doesn't go away at all.
The taste and everything's fine. Yo, these aren't as bad as.
Oh,
I still don't think these
Guys,
are as bad.
we're gonna get up close. What do you think?
So the first bite was completely fine. It was all good. Tasted amazing. Now it's just I'm having PTSD about those double flaming Cheeto chips. Oh, but they're a bit worse, I think.
Oh,
Far out.
this is bad. Get me. Yeah, these are bad.
Oh no!
Everybody, so basically. Okay, so what happens with me? Whenever I have anything that's slightly hot, my eyes water.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense.
Make sure this.
Yeah,
this is
hold
water.
up. Oh, that'd be cool.
Oh,
Fingers.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Yep. Oh, far out.
so. So now that I've had one of these, my body is completely freaking out, and I cannot handle it.
Yeah, you do not look fine. You do not look okay. All right, let's go. All right, let's go to Fatima. How you feeling?
pretty alright.
Pretty alright.
It's like burning on one side of my tongue, but other than that, it's okay.
Yo, did you just chew on one side? Did you
Just
not?
like go straight down the back. I put it. In
Did
my
you even
mouth.
chew?
Yeah, shoot.
I put it all the way in my mouth.
All right.
I did as well.
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna be a mad lad. I see you crying.
Are you gonna take a second?
Yep.
No, Ryan.
You know what? I'm gonna commit
Oh.
the ultimate tragedy. Okay, ready? Okay, ready?
Keep it in your mouth.
No,
Just
don't.
keep chewing. No, not two. Oh.
Drink a drink.
Oh, it was required. You good, Ryan?
It was really hard to swallow because I was chewing it up.
Oh, you're dying. Oh, this is not good.
I like my hot food.
Oh, my mouth is still burning. It's so bad. Oh, whoa. Oh. Yeah, I can't do this.
All right. Okay. So how's everybody? How's everyone going?
Wasn't too bad.
Oh, Fatima, you have to take another one.
Oh, fine.
Yours is empty already. You said you were fine.
Yeah.
Oh!
I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I don't want to.
All right, you don't have to. Are you gonna do another one or nah? No, you're not gonna.
So whenever I eat, go talk to all you.
All right, you want me to? Okay.
Okay, finish.
So I love.
Oh, Ryan! Oh, he's shaking. I licked my lips and I'm shaking. Oh, I can't believe we should have done this last. All right. Okay, someone hold. I got
should have. Oh no, Ryan. Oh gosh, yeah, gosh darn it. Oh, the camera equipment is getting weird. Oh. This is the type of prank you play on someone that you just don't like.
Oh, fire.
Oh. Oh.
You knew they were going to be hot.
We
but-
should have just faked this.
No. We're not like those guys. We're not like the fakers. We're the realers.
Imagine if someone slipped one of these into a bag of Doritos.
Oh, I'd end their lives.
Got someone you don't like?
Just give them one of them.
Give them one of them.
Give them half of it. You're mean, but you don't want to be that mean.
Oh.
Dude, do you have like lemons or something?
Lemons? That's not gonna help.
We have lemon juice, but no.
Yeah, get Ryan lemon juice. He wants lemon juice. Get him a cup of lemon juice.
Just like a shot or something.
Okay.
Oh, far out.
Oh, this is so bad. Oh. 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 This is the worst.
My eyes are finally about to run down, but...
Oh!
Got in my eye.
Oh no, Ryan, you idiot! Don't touch your eyes.
I didn't mean... I just closed my eye. Far out.
Oh no, you're not gonna be able to see. It can make you blind.
Alright, I'm better. Oh, far out.
Oh, ho, ho. Oh. 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 I think I'm almost recovered.
Okay. No, I'm sweating.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
All right.
All right.
Out of 10, how good? How delicious was that?
These actually do have a good flavour. As someone who ate it purely to just try the flavour.
Oh, it's the lemon.
Alright, Fatima.
Oh, we got the lemon.
Ryan requested lemon, so Fatima got Ryan some lemon.
Okay. That's a good lot of lemon.
yeah.
That's a good piece of. What's
Guys,
the white floaty stuff?
That's
I don't know,
the
it's
you know
lemon.
lemon.
Oh,
juice?
okay, I was about to
There's
say.
like these little sacks that come out of the lemon.
Oh. Yeah, I feel a lot better now.
Okay.
After doing that. Gang.
So we're out here.
Oh, far out, man.
We just tried the world's hottest corn chips to ever be made. The world's hottest corn chips to ever be made.
Hey, another one.
Fatima's just eating another one.
You said you what?
Fatima, why are you so silly? How do you feel at the moment?
How do you feel? Oh. Alright, that lemon really
Pretty good,
helped.
actually.
That lemon really helped. I'm
Feel-
vocabularying a lot better.
Oh. Okay.
Alright.
I think I'm good.
You good?
I don't look good, but I reckon I feel
what do you
good.
what do you rate this? What do you rate this?
Some milk.
Okay, so in regards, so like if you think about it, this packaging is perfect. Like it actually really encompasses everything about these little boys, these little chippies, because yeah, this is what you need to wear.
So
Hey, they don't taste bad. They
Yeah.
taste really good if they didn't taste like fire.
afterwards, yeah. Yeah, so when you don't want to chew it like really fast because otherwise it'll just be
So what I did, and I think what most people did. No, flip the camera. Just keep recording. No, you're taking photos. Stop recording. Press the red button. Yep. Okay, cool. Press the flick button. I think what some people do is they just get it, swallow it as quickly as possible. I need to censor up the bins, but okay. And they can't actually taste it. What I did, I put it on my mouth, and I licked it, and then I swallowed it. So then now I just have a whole bunch of chili in each corner of my mouth because I chewed it and I swallowed it. But yeah, out of 10, the taste is like an 8. The chilliness is definitely beyond a 10.
yeah, taste is pretty good. Hotness.
Oh,
Well, Fatima, you shouldn't have drank your drink so fast.
Yeah, you don't want to do it really fast. Alright. I give it a solid 9 out of 10 on everything.
Yeah. I need tissues. Who needs tissues?
Yeah, probably.
Fatima, get tissues.
Yeah. Alright. I think this video is done. Alright, I'm gonna finish it to say I'm signing off.
Alright, guys. When Fatima gets back. Ladies and gentlemen, the world's hottest chips. Warning, extreme heat.
Yeah.
Danger, warning, danger, warning, danger, warning.
Yeah.
Are you game? Delicious chili infused corn chips.
Yeah. We were game. We did it.
We did it.
Do we
didn't
regret
do
it? Probably not. I don't.
Does lemon help?
Yes, it did help for like a little bit, yeah. Oh.
Okay, guys, remember to like this video, subscribe to us, and comment for more crazy food challenges. Remember, we do small town reviews, small town documentaries, we do comedy, we do commentary, we do skits, we do everything.
Everything that we like to do, we'll do. And if you want us to do it, we'll probably do it.
Yeah, they'll probably do it. Thanks everybody so much for watching. This has been Zed Pandre.
Oh, Lord Zad and all of the above.
and Fatima.
Signing off.
Later, broskies. My bottom lip is